Uniswap could fall 3.5% tomorrow, as predicted by CoinLore. But before we go deeper, let's check what's unfolding right now. Uniswap has retreated 0.5% over the past day and is trading near the $3.576 mark. Let's examine the analysts' market views. Traders Union's data implies a move to $3.649 by tomorrow, about 2.1% higher than today. 30 Rates believes Uniswap may approach $3.631. That's an increase of about 1.6%. Gulf Capital Collector notes it may drop toward $3.529, an estimated fall of 1.3%. A separate projection from CoinLore highlights Uniswap may move lower to $3.45, an estimated decrease of 3.5%. And lastly, CoinDataFlow sees the price reaching $3.40 by tomorrow, a 4.9% drop. This forecast offers the most lucrative outcome. Those are the predictions. Let's shift to what's next. With all 5 predictions in mind, let's look at the numbers. From all projections combined, the move could be from a decline of 4.9% to a gain of 2.1%. In conclusion, CoinDataFlow projects the highest gain with 4.9% upward move in value by March 22. It's clear you could earn between $13 and $49 for every $1,000 you invest. By probability measures, Gulf Capital Collector's forecast is at the top of the chart with an 89.3% chance of success. With all 5 forecasts combined, I've formed a unified projection. Consensus modeling shows Uniswap positioned for a decrease of around 1.2%. Let's walk through the details. The consensus calculation shows a 1.2% drop by tomorrow. With that change, your capital could likewise see an increase of 1.2%. On 1,000, this projection could equal a potential gain of $12. So the probability of this consensus forecast materializing is estimated at 89.8%. At this point in the outlook, let's check the short-term 3-day market view given by analysts. A positive outlook is shared by Traders Union, pointing to more gains. 30 Rates highlights building pressure to the downside. Meanwhile, Gulf Capital Collector expects downward momentum to persist. Additionally, CoinLore expects losses to extend. Additionally, CoinDataFlow sees Uniswap trending lower. Consensus analysis highlights Uniswap on a negative course for the coming 3 days. The overall message is that most forecasts lean bearish for Uniswap. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were posted. Now we compare them with yesterday's outcome. As a result, the market wrapped up at $3.605. The closing price showed that most forecasts were accurate about the trend. Best alignment with the actual price came from CoinPrice forecast. Now it's time to see the outcome more closely. None of the forecasts touched the daily candle. For ROI performance, CoinDataFlow alone finished in the green at 1.2%. Here's the daily summary, how each analyst's forecast performed in real numbers. Crypto Predictions' forecast probability stood at 2.6%, with $0.526 accuracy and minus 1.2% ROI. Can you tell which analyst came the closest to reality? Let's see how the forecasts for tomorrow compare across several cryptos, including Uniswap. Uniswap isn't leading this time as the top spot goes to Cardano with a forecasted return of 1.6%. Currently, Uniswap is compared with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The broader comparison and analyst accuracy overview for many others will be released soon. Big thanks for staying till the end. If this gave you a clearer view, a like would be the perfect feedback. Alright, bye now.